Hello, my chicken nuggets. It's Miss Ward again. All right, so we're going to continue our lesson today about primary colors and secondary colors. And so we're going to be drawing some cute little birds. And that's going to require us to draw some circles and some V shapes for the beak and some dots for the eyes. And we're going to use some lines for the legs. So you should have a sheet that looks like this. You should have your Sharpie. You should have a placemat underneath your paper. And you should have some crayons, your primary colors, okay? You will get out some other colors in a second. We're going to start with primary in just a minute. Okay, first thing, take your Sharpie, lid on the other end. Go ahead and write your name at the top where it says name. The first thing I want you to do is I want you to take your marker and I actually want you to trace on top of this circle that's in the first box at the top left, okay? So tracing means you're going to go right on top of this with your Sharpie. So pick a place to start and very slowly go slow. Please go slow. Trace on top of your circle with your Sharpie. Okay, I want you to go really slowly again, but this time you get to draw your own circles in the next two boxes, but just one circle per box. They need to be about this size. So go really slowly. Go slow and draw your circle. Okay, I want you to do that again. Go slow, draw your circle. Why do we draw slow? So that we have more control over our Sharpie and we have less of a chance of messing up, okay? So in our second row right here, you can see that there's a circle in the middle. I want you to trace on top of it with your Sharpie. Go slow. Okay, you're going to draw circles in these boxes. Please make sure they're about the same size. And again, you're drawing slowly. Okay, we have one last row. There's a circle for you to trace at the end and two for you to fill in yourself. Again, draw how? Fast or slow? Slow. And then do two yourself. Okay, how many circles do we have now? Did you say 9? We have 9 circles. That means we're going to have 9 little birds. Okay. Our birds are going to look in different directions, okay? So I want you to draw along with me, and let me show you. This is going to be really cute when we finish this. Okay, in the top left corner, put your finger on this same circle that I have my finger on. This circle right here. In this circle right here, I want you to draw a beak. It's like a letter V. Okay, I want you to draw it in kind of the same spot that I did. Right near the beak, you're going to do one eye because it's like we're looking at the side of the bird, so you're not going to see both eyes. It's just one eye. We're going to do a wing and a tail, and they're going to be the same kind of line, okay? So will you watch me first? So look up at the board. So we'll do a curve, 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 and come back. Okay. The tail is the same exact thing. Curve, 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 and come back. So you do a wing inside the body and a tail attached to the circle. We're going to give it 2 little legs, and that's that. Okay, in our next one, we'll put a beak on the other side. We'll put one eye close to it. Just remember, it's a side view, so you don't see both. We'll give it a wing. A tail. And legs. Okay, in the last one, this one's going to have 2 eyes because we are going to be able to see it like looking from the back of the bird, but he's looking up, so watch this. Up here, you're going to put a beak kind of pointing up. You're going to do 2 eyes this time. Okay, kind of close to the beak. On this one, we'll have 2 wings, 1 on each side, and a tail, and 2 little feet. Okay, I need for you to do beaks and eyes and wings and tails and legs in the other 6 circles that you have. So you can do them pointing whichever way you want. You can have them pointing to the right, pointing to the left, pointing up. So however you want to do it, I want you to go ahead and take a moment and finish these next birds. Okay, when you're done doing that, and even if you're not done, can you stop drawing for a moment and look up here and let me show you something? Okay, we're going to do something real quick with our Sharpie before we put it up in a moment, and if you're not done drawing your birds, you can do that again in a second, okay? I need for you, in this first box up here, in the corner, write an R. Remember what primary color starts with R? Okay. And then I want you to put a plus, and then I want you to put Y. Okay? So R plus Y. Down in this corner right here where my finger is, I want you to put a B plus R. B plus R. Okay? And in this last one down here where my finger is, I want you to put Y plus B. Okay? I'm going to put the lid on my marker for a second and I'm going to show you what to do. I need everybody, when you're done, to look up here. Okay. R plus Y. Okay, so R is for red. I want you to color your first bird red. Y is for yellow. Okay, so R plus Y. We're not doing anything to this last bird over here just yet. Okay. So if you need to finish up drawing, go ahead and do that real quick, and you can just kind of listen. And when you get ready to color, you're going to look up and kind of see what's been happening. This next row right here, B plus R, what is B for? Blue. So this little bird's going to be blue. Okay, so B plus R, what's the bird next to it going to be? What's R? Red. Okay, and then this last one down here, Y plus B, Y is yellow again. And B is for blue. Okay, I want you to think really, really hard. I need everybody to stop whatever you're doing and look up here. Okay. Remember we had secondary colors. Remember secondary colors are those colors where you mix two primary colors together. Okay. So look up here real quick. Red plus yellow equals, say orange. So in this box put an O and you'll color this bird orange. Okay. Blue plus red, if you mix blue and red together, what do you get? Did you say purple or violet? Okay, I'm gonna put V for violet. Okay, violet and purple, remember the same thing. Okay, so blue plus red is violet or purple, and that's the one you'll color purple. And then yellow plus blue. Yellow and blue equals what color? Green. Okay, so this is what you should have. A red and a yellow, and they equal orange. A blue and a red, and they equal violet. A yellow and a blue, they equal green. So as soon as you're done drawing, you're done coloring in your primary color birds, then I want you to color in your secondary color birds. Okay? So remember secondary colors, second means two. It takes two colors to make that one color. Okay? Remember that is what's special about primary colors. They're unique. No colors can make them. You don't mix two colors to make red, and you don't mix two colors to make blue, and you don't mix two colors to make yellow. But for all the other colors, you do have to mix colors together, okay? So make sure that when you're done, all your birds are drawn. You've got it labeled with the color letter, okay? We're not writing out the whole word, we're just writing the letter. So R or Y or B. And then for your secondary colors, you've got it labeled with an O and a V and a G, okay? So as soon as you're done labeling, go ahead and finish coloring.